Signing up for Impact Health Sharing is a straightforward process, and enrollment should not have any surprises. Simply go to the website you have been referred to and click the orange button on the left that says Shop Now for Impact Health Sharing. On the next screen, click the orange button on the right that says Enroll Now. Here you will choose if you are enrolling for yourself and your family, or as a guardian for someone else, or if you are enrolling in a group. You'll also be entering your full name, email address, phone, date of birth, and password so you can set up your account. Click the Next button. Please read the Statement of Shared Beliefs and Ethics and check off that you agree to the statement, that you have read the impact guidelines, and you understand that health sharing is not insurance. Choose a start date, which will always be on the first of a given month. Then click the Next button. By the way, you can stop on any screen after you've put in your name and email address if you need to come back by clicking the Save and Exit button. On the next screen, you'll continue putting in more information about yourself such as sex, marital status, height and weight, your mailing address, and it asks if you will have another health plan or insurance after the date you want the plan to be in effect, and click the Next button. On the next screen, you will put any other dependents, such as spouse or children, and identify how, or if, they are related. Then click Next. At this point, it will indicate to you what your monthly share account will cost and how much will be due today. There is a one-time $79 application fee. It also indicates your primary responsibility amount, or PRA. In this case, this particular plan integrates with Medicare. Click the next screen. Here there are 24 health questions. Click the box if you've seen a medical provider, had treatment recommended, received care, including prescriptions, or been hospitalized for any of the conditions in the past 3 years. In this case at the top, it also asks if you have Medicare A and B, if the individual is 65 or older. If the answer is no, make sure to click none of the above on the bottom left and click the Next button. At this point, a pop-up will appear and ask if you've used tobacco or used any vaping products of any kind. It will also ask if you have Medicare A and B, if you are 65 or older, and if you've seen a medical provider, had treatment recommended, received care for any of the following if you had checked the box. In this particular case, it shows none. Pay close attention to the bottom at the pre-existing condition clause and check the box. Then click the Next box. Here it will restate the monthly cost. You will also click 4 boxes and that you've read the Impact Health Sharing Guidelines, that you understand the pre-existing conditions policy, that you have the authority to sign in behalf of all applicants, and you've reviewed the state disclosures, if any. Here click the Finish button. You will notice a panel of agreements, such as terms of use. On each one of these, you will click off to the far right and click on the I accept link. Click the next link. You will notice a panel of agreements, such as terms of use. On each one of these, you will click off to the far right and click on the I accept link. Click the next link. On the next screen, read the account and sharing agreement and click the I accept link on the far right and click the Next button. Here you will read the America's Christian Credit Union Agreement. The credit union serves as the custodian of all member funds. Click the I accept link on the far right and click the Next button. On this screen, you will agree to Electronic Funds Transfer Agreement, or EFT, for your monthly share amount. Click the I agree link off to the far right and click the Next button. The final thing you view is the privacy policy. After reading, click the I agree link on the far right and click the Next button. On this screen, if you look on the far right, you should see that all links have been agreed to. If there are any of them that are red, you will need to go back to that and agree to move forward. Click the Next button. It is at this point it will ask for your identification to confirm that it is you applying, as well as your Social Security number or Taxpayer Identification Number, or TIN. It is at this point you go to the payment page by clicking the Next button and the process is complete. Congratulations on joining Impact Health Sharing.